Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all we have to make a bread. I have divided my hairs into 3 parts. While making breads, we will take one part from first side, then another side. Then we have to repeat this process again and again. So guys, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new update video. Now we only have to make a simple braid. Now secure your hair with an elastic rubber band. Now pull up the outer layers of the hair to look more bouncy. Now this is ready. Then make a ponytail. Then make a round of her hair. Secure the bun with the help of clips. You can also use U-pins and rubber band. Now one side of bun is ready. If you are feeling that your bun is loose, then you can also use more pins and hair clips to secure your hair. Now do it another side also. So yeah, this is ready. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.